Car shampoos are essential for removing dirt and grime safely, ensuring a streak-free shine while protecting your vehicle's paint. My today's video is about top 5 best car shampoos for streak-free shine that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now, let's get started. Starting at Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash. Meguiar's Gold Class Foaming Car Wash Soap is a game-changer for anyone seeking a professional quality clean without the hassle. This innovative formula combines both cleaning and conditioning into a single step, saving time while delivering a flawless, factory-like finish. Its advanced formula effectively lifts dirt, road grime, and contaminants without stripping existing wax protection, ensuring your vehicle stays safeguarded while sparkling clean. The biodegradable, eco-friendly suds provide a rich foam that clings to surfaces, making it easier to remove grime gently yet thoroughly. Beyond cleanliness, the luxurious paint conditioners leave your car looking vibrant, rejuvenated, and showroom-ready. Versatility is another highlight. Whether using a traditional bucket wash or a foam cannon, Meguiar's performs flawlessly when diluted 5:1. Celebrating 125 years of industry leadership, Meguiar's expertise shines through in this product, offering DIY enthusiasts a professional-grade experience. For radiant, long-lasting shine and superior protection, this car wash is a must-have. Now our second product is Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap. Chemical Guy's Hero Car Wash Soap is a top-tier solution for anyone aiming for a professional-grade clean at home. This pH-balanced formula produces thick, luxurious suds that encapsulate dirt and grime, minimizing the risk of swirl marks while safely lifting contaminants from paint, glass, wheels, and trim. Its gentle yet effective cleaning action preserves wax, sealants, and ceramic coatings, making it safe for all exterior surfaces, including plastics and trim. Designed for versatility, it works seamlessly with foam cannons, foam blasters, or traditional bucket washes, making it ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and even RVs. Car enthusiasts, from beginners to seasoned pros, trust this formula for its consistent glossy finish and scratch-free results. The generous 64-ounce bottle ensures multiple washes and pairs perfectly with other Chemical Guy's detailing products. For anyone serious about maintaining a spotless, shiny vehicle, Hero Car Wash Soap delivers reliability, protection, and unmatched performance. Our third product is Adams Polish's Car Wash Shampoo. Adams Polish's Car Shampoo stands out as a premium solution for weekly vehicle maintenance, combining advanced chemical technology with user-friendly performance. Its pH-neutral formula safely lifts dirt and grime while protecting your paint, even in full sunlight, by suspending harmful minerals in water. The shampoo creates a slick, lubricated layer that minimizes the risk of clear coat damage, making it ideal for regular washes. Safe on all surfaces, including paint, rubber, vinyl, windows, and plastics. Its rich, snow-like foam ensures a thorough, scratch-free clean without drying out trim or other components. Versatile in use, it works flawlessly with a wash bucket, foam gun, or foam cannon, leaving a pleasant wild berry scent. Spot-free rinsing preserves existing wax, sealants, or ceramic coatings. Made in the USA and backed by a satisfaction guarantee, Adams Polish's Car Shampoo is perfect for enthusiasts seeking professional quality results, reliability, and protection in every wash. Now number 4, Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Car Wax. Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Wax combines convenience and performance, offering an all-in-one solution for cleaning, shining, and protecting your vehicle. Its proprietary formula blends effective cleaning agents, surface lubricants, and real carnauba wax, lifting dirt gently while producing a thick, luxurious foam that reduces the risk of scratches and swirl marks. The soap not only cleans effectively but also promotes water beading, helping prevent water spots and speeding up drying time. Safe for all paint finishes thanks to its pH-neutral composition, it reveals deep, radiant color while delivering a mirror-like shine that enhances your car's overall appearance. Versatile in use, it works equally well in a traditional bucket wash or with a foam cannon for professional-level suds. Gentle yet powerful, Armor all ensures a spotless, streak-free finish with every wash, making it an ideal choice for car enthusiasts seeking efficiency, protection, and intense shine. And our last choice is Adams Car Shampoo. Adams Car Shampoo delivers a professional-grade cleaning experience with a pH-balanced formula designed to protect your vehicle's paint, wax, and sealant layers. Its ultra-advanced foaming technology produces thick, rich suds that effectively encapsulate dirt and grime, minimizing the risk of scratches or swirl marks during washing. Safe for all exterior surfaces, including paint, clear coat, glass, trim, and wheels. This versatile shampoo works on cars, trucks, motorcycles, and RVs without leaving residue or causing damage. Engineered to perform even in full sunlight, it suspends mineral content in water, reduces water spots, and ensures a streak-free finish. Adams Car Shampoo is compatible with wash buckets, foam guns, or foam cannons, offering flexibility for any washing method while consistently delivering a professional-level clean. Made in the USA with premium ingredients, it's trusted by both DIY enthusiasts and professional detailers, making it a reliable choice for achieving a spotless, glossy, and showroom-ready finish every time. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.